and welcome. My name is Patricia Eto, intombi yakwaNdlovu, indlovu ethi nganyathela phansi kunyikinyeke, intombi enhle, isiqabhobho sakobulawayo khona le emakhandeni. So here on this channel, I'm going to help you learn Ndebele basics. I'm going to be your Ndebele language coach, and I'm going to start with the easier words to those that you think are difficult, the cha and the cha words. You think they are difficult, but no, they are not. With me as your coach, you will learn them very fast. So if you know someone who wants to know Ndebele, or if you know someone who's struggling to communicate with people in Ndebele, please tell them to subscribe on this channel and stay tuned for more, because I'm going to be posting these videos every week and we're going to be starting from the basics till the end. Thank you.